We love shrimp, crispy shrimp, even better, but sometimes store-bought just doesn't cut it. Good news! You can make amazing crispy fried shrimp at home. It's easier than you think. Forget Popeyes. This recipe will make you the king or queen of crispy shrimp. Ready for the adventure? Let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, they are all simple and easy to find. Shrimp! We need about a pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined, all-purpose flour. 1 cup of this will do the trick. Cornstarch, half a cup for extra crispiness. Spices, we need salt, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Eggs, 2 of them will help the coating stick. Milk, just a splash, about 2 tablespoons. Oil for frying, we like canola or vegetable oil. See? Easy peasy, now let's get cooking. First, we season our shrimp. Salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder go in a bowl. Mix them up. Now toss the shrimp in the spices. Make sure they are all coated. Next, we make the batter. In another bowl, whisk together the flour, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs and milk. Now, dip each shrimp in the egg mixture, then dredge it in the flour mixture. Make sure it's fully coated. Time to fry. Heat your oil in a large skillet. You'll know it's ready when a pinch of flour sizzles. Carefully place the shrimp in the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown and crispy. Once they're golden and crispy, take them out of the oil. Let them rest on a plate lined with paper towels. This will absorb any excess oil. Section 4. Dipping into deliciousness. Serving up your shrimpy triumph. Our crispy shrimp are ready. Now let's talk about serving them. You can enjoy them as is, or serve them with your favorite dipping sauces. We love tartar sauce, cocktail sauce, or even a spicy mayo. A squeeze of lemon juice adds a fresh touch. These crispy shrimp are great on their own, but they also make a fantastic addition to salads, tacos, or pasta dishes. The possibilities are endless. Section 5, go forth and fry. See? Making crispy fried shrimp that's better than Popeyes is easier than you thought. With a few simple ingredients and steps, you can create a restaurant-quality dish at home. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and get frying. Don't forget to share your crispy shrimp creations with us. We'd love to see your culinary masterpieces.